The next topic is odd even merge sorting of unit 3 from parallel algorithms. What is odd even merge sorting? Merge sort, it first divides the unsorted list into two smallest possible sublists and compare with adjacent list, merges it in a sorted order. The given sorted and unsorted elements are divided into a sublist and compare the sublist of one with another and merge it in a sorted form. So this algorithm can be implemented by means of parallelism using a technique is called divide and conquer. So while doing a merge sort, this algorithm calls recursively. So there is a recursive calls to merge the sorted list, to merge the unsorted list. Here, if there are p processor, then it does this p by 2 processor for each of the recursive calls. So during each recursive calls, it divides the processor or it uses the processor p by 2 processor. That is, half of the processor will be used to do this sorting. Serial algorithm. How this odd and even merge sorting in by means of a serial algorithm. Normally in a serial algorithm, what we do is we divide the array into two half, that is the given elements n is divided into two half, that is middle of the array will be divided, which is nothing but a m, and we create a array that is called L. L is a elements before this m, that is a left elements, and elements after this m is said to be R, that is right elements, and we do this merge sorting over the L elements, that is left side elements, and then again we do this merge sorting over the right side elements. Once completed, then we merge the left and right elements. Once we completed, we merge the left and right elements. The same algorithm can be implemented parallelly in parallel processor, whose pseudocode says that again we divide this array into two half. One is a odd and another one is a even. This odd even merge sort procedure, it does this sorting over the odd elements. This odd even merge again it takes the even elements. After sorting the even elements and odd elements, it combines the total elements by using a procedure is called odd even join. While joining the elements from odd and while joining the elements from even, if there is a elements with whose values is less than the elements in the even, then it does this exchange operation to combine the elements from one list into another list. So the example of this algorithm is given. First we have to partition. There are 4 elements, 6, 2, 9, 3. Let us take for an example, and we partition into 2, that is a 6 and 2, 9 and 3, and we partition into 6 and 2 or left side, and right side we partition it into 9 and 3, and comparing the sublist of 6 with comparing the sublist of 2. If there is a small element, then we can do this exchange. So this is done in parallel, that is 2 and 6. Meanwhile, the sublist of 9 and sublist of 3 is compared, whereas here 3 is less than 9, therefore we can exchange, therefore 3 and 9. Again we can do this in parallelly, we get the result as a 2, 3, 6, 9. So that's all about this odd and even merge sort.